Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 5 tips to speed up your WordPress websites. And hey, if it's your first time to this channel, I hope people just like you establish an online presence from scratch. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. Let's dive straight in. So guys, often we have this question of how best can I make my website faster. Google is coming up every other time with new algorithms that are favoring faster websites. Your visitor wants something fast, you want something fast. So the question is, how do you make your website faster? So I'm just going to first share with you the tools you need to test your current speed of your website. There are 3 tools I would recommend. 1 is GTmetrix, 2 is Page Speed Insights, which is from Google, and 3 is Web Page Test. So these tools, you just go there, you feed in your domain name, and then you see how fast it's going. It shows you how many minutes it takes to download, upload, and what files are making it go slow, and possible tweaks you can make to better your website speed. At the current standard, a website that loads in longer than 3 minutes loses a visitor. I don't want you to lose a visitor just because your website is loading for much longer time than the visitor is expecting. If people want websites to load just instant or less than a second. So the number one thing you should consider is considering having a very good host, because it goes back to where your website is seated. When your website is hosted by a reputable company and having good resources, then most probably your website will run fast enough for your visitors. If now we consider that your host is really good, then we have to move to the second point. The second point is, what do you have on your website? Are you uploading videos direct to your server? Is your website loading files that are not needed for a specific session for the visitor? So those are things that you have also to check out. Whether your website is loading the right resources for your visitors that are coming, because if it's loading resources that are not necessary for a specific visitor or for a specific request, then it's going to slow down your website. Number 3, if you're on WordPress using a caching plugin, there are many caching plugins out there that help you cache pages, information that is frequently visited and requested by visitors, so that they don't keep on sending the requests to the server, which I find really interesting. There are many caching plugins out there. I'm going to include a link down here that you can go and visit and read through about the different caching plugins you can try out. And the number 4 is trying to use a CDN. A CDN is basically a content delivery network. It hopes that whenever your visitor requests to access your website, the CDN uses the nearest server to your visitor to deliver your website or to deliver the request. So that means it takes lesser time to load resources or to request resources from servers that are far away from your area of requests. And number 5 is optimizing your images and the database. If your website database is not optimized very well, it will really affect your website, because everything is basically in the database. So when you optimize your database very well and including the content, basically the images, so it's always good to optimize your images before you upload them so that they are light and that they are easily served to your visitor. There are so many tools out there that you can use to optimize your images, including Tiny PNG, including Photoshop. You have a super light image, really still having good quality, and at the same time when you can use it on your website. And a bonus tip, there is something called AMP, Accelerated Mobile Pages, which is a technology implemented by Google and partners that helps you load your pages on mobile devices instantly. So if you are this person who wants to have your visitors access your website information instantly, you should actually check out the AMP technology. If you are into WordPress, there is already a plugin for that you can basically install on your website and have your website AMP enabled, so that all your mobile visitors will be served your website content instantly. So guys, I hope this video brings you value and that it will enable you find the best means to optimize your website for speed. And hey, I'm going to provide you a link down in the description box below of about 50 secrets of a guide that I wrote to speed up your WordPress website, which I think if you follow up step by step, you'll find different things you can try out and see that your website is perfectly optimized for speed. So guys, I wish you a good time. I hope this video brings you a ton of value. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. See you in my next video.